Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Photoshop and create a new document at your final print dimensions and 300 ppi. Include a 1/8, bleed so trim is safe. Import your hero photo and place it as a smart object so you can scale without quality loss. Once done, create separate layers and folders for textures and type to stay organized. This saves time when experimenting. Make quick color swatches from your photo to drive the poster palette. This aligns mood and typography from the start. Begin blocking composition. Add guides, place rectangular masks for title, image, and info zones so alignment reads cleanly. Convert the hero layer to smart filters. Apply camera raw or curves to establish contrast and mood. This keeps edits non-destructive. Next, use gradient maps and subtle texture overlays to create a vintage or modern feel. Change blend modes and opacity to interact with the photo. Make the title area a separate layer group so you can tweak scale and spacing independently. Tweak typographic hierarchy. Adjust tracking, leading, and weight so the destination name is dominant while secondary info remains readable. Before exporting, proof colors using your intended color profile and make a soft proof if printing. This prevents surprises. Save a layered PSD and a packaged folder with linked images and fonts. When happy, export a high-resolution PDF or TIFF with crop marks and bleed. If something prints wrong, check color profile, flattening order, and embedded fonts as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.